everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosina from AzraBeautyHub.com. Today we're going to talk about some of my favorite products, but before we do that, make sure you go to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and while you're there, don't forget to like. So I have many favorite products, I'm not going to lie. I absolutely love Avon products. I use it, I wear it. So we're just going to touch on a couple of different favorite ones, including some of the makeup products I'm wearing today. Okay, so the first item I'm going to talk about is the Cashmere Complexion Compact Powder Foundation. So I'm just going to open it up real quick. This is what it looks like. Okay, alright, it's really nice and smooth. Alright, here we go. This is number W130. This is the shade I chose for my skin tone. It comes in so many different shades. I'll show you right now real quick in the book. I have the brochure here ready to go. You can see it. Okay. You get all the different shades for different skin tones. It could be worn as a foundation or it could be worn as a powder. It's luxurious and it's weightless, which is why I absolutely love it. I don't feel like I'm wearing any makeup. It just goes on very smooth and light. Alright, so the next item I want to talk about is my lips. So, what I wanted to show you today is, this is another favorite product. It's a 2-in-1 product. What do I mean by that? It's a lip liner and lipstick in one. That's what I call it. It's actually called a lip tattoo. That's what it's really called. So, if I'm going to just show you, alright. So this is a liner, okay, hope you can see that. Alright, this is a liner, so you use that as a liner, and on the other side, it's a filler, okay. So I love that I can just put this on, it doesn't get cakey, it's more of a lip stain than anything else. It comes in different colors. This one is called Inked Rose. That's the color that I like. It's very neutral. I love it. It goes on great on my skin. It's supposed to be somewhat of a long-lasting color. Alright. So that's another product that it comes in a couple of different shades. It comes in Inked Rose. I believe it comes in a plum color, Rebel Raspberry. It comes in Renegade Ruby. It comes in Misunderstood Merlot. I'll show you to you right now. It's actually called 2-in-1 Lip Tattoo, Lip Line, and Filled Duo. So right now it's for $9.99. Normally it's for $13. Alright. Okay, so here we go. You can see that. Okay, great. Perfect. Beautiful. Alright, so this is another product that I am wearing today. And as far as makeup goes, last but not least, this is the first time I'm ever doing this, is applying a makeup product on screen, okay? So I want you guys to please just bear with me, okay? I'm gonna try a new product. I actually tried it once before, but in a different shade. This is called the Electric Lash. Alright, I know one is upside down, here we go. Alright, it's called the Electric Lash. It comes in 2 different colors. It's mascara, okay? It comes in a purple color and a blue color. So being with that I'm wearing blue sweater today, I wanted to try the blue color on screen as I'm putting it on. Take a couple of seconds for it to dry and you may be able to see the color on screen right after. So just bear with me while I apply for this. Alright, again, in the meantime, you can go to AzraBeautyHub.com and just check this out. Alright, remember, you can check it out at any time of the day or night. And while I apply this, you can see the blue going on there. You know, I'm going to close my eye for a second, okay? You don't see it right away. You may see it a few seconds later, but if you come up close, it's very visible, all right? The being that I put it on one of my eyes, you know what? I got to put it on the other eye. This way I don't look a little funky. So here we go, all right? Just bear with me. All right, there you go. This is actually one of my favorite products because, you know, when I wear blue, I just don't want it to be just plain old black sometimes. I want to like spice it up a little bit. I want to brighten it up a little bit. I do not need to wear eyeliner. I could just put one of these things on, and I think I put a little bit more on one one side than the other, but that's okay. This is just, we're doing this on the go type of thing. So I'm gonna come a little close and see if you can see the color. All right, see? Okay, I'm gonna look on the side, and I'm gonna close my eyes real quick. Hopefully you can see that. So as it's drying, I wanted you to see up close. So these are 3 of my favorite products that I absolutely love and enjoy. I want you to go to AzraBeautyHub.com and check it out to see what you think. The best way I tell everybody is try the products. If you don't like it, Avon has a money back guarantee. No harm, no foul. You could just try it, you could return it. It's not a problem, okay? Now also, if you're new to this channel, please show your love and support by clicking the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell, and while you're there, don't forget to like my channel. Now, also don't forget to visit AzraBeautyHub.com and any time of the day or night. Feel free to shop there 24/7 for direct delivery to your home. Again, keep smiling and have a great day.